time, in a small town nestled among rolling hills, lived a curious 11-year-old boy named Ethan. He had a heart full of adventure and a mind that constantly craved new experiences. One sunny day, Ethan woke up with an idea that would lead him on a thrilling journey. Ethan stood at the foot of a towering oak tree, the sunlight filtering through its branches. His eyes sparkled with anticipation as he gazed up at the topmost branches, challenging himself to climb higher than ever before. With determination in his heart, Ethan began his ascent. He gripped each branch with care, feeling the rough bark beneath his fingertips. The wind whispered encouragement as he soared higher, the world below growing smaller with each passing moment. At last, Ethan reached a lofty perch, where he could see his entire town spread out before him. The houses, the fields, and the distant hills painted a breathtaking scene. A sense of awe filled his young soul as he marveled at the beauty of the world. Lost in his thoughts, Ethan noticed a dilapidated building on the outskirts of town. It had always intrigued him, and now, his adventurous spirit pushed him to explore. He climbed down from the tree, leaving behind the lofty heights, and set off towards the forgotten structure. As Ethan approached, he noticed the building's weathered facade and broken windows. Stepping inside, he discovered a treasure trove of forgotten memories. Old photographs lined the walls, and dusty books lay scattered across the floor. Each item held a story waiting to be discovered. With eager eyes, Ethan began to read the tales hidden within the pages. He found stories of heroes and legends, of brave explorers and magical worlds. These tales ignited a fire within him, awakening his imagination and inspiring him to create his own adventures. Leaving the forgotten building, Ethan knew that he had found his true passion. He embraced the power of words, crafting stories that would transport readers to far-off places. With every tale he wrote, his dreams soared higher, just like he had in the branches of that old oak tree. And so, Ethan's life became a tapestry of adventures, both real and imagined. He discovered that there was magic in everyday moments, and that the world was his playground. As the years passed, his stories touched the hearts of many, inspiring them to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and wonder.